जय वीरू, फरहान, रैंचो और राजू, इन सब की कहानियां तो हमने बहुत सुनी है. एंड व्हेन वी हियर देयर स्टोरीज वी ऑटोमेटिकली गेट अ स्माइल ऑन आवर फेसेस. बट गाइस, लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट वन मोर यारों की यारी, जिसका नाम था फुकरे. दो ही नाम याद आते हैं इसमें, चूचा और हनी. जितनी भी इन लोगों ने अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ में मस्ती करी, या जो चाहते थे मस्ती करना, जितने लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हुए, उन सब से बनी एक मूवी विच हैज लिटरली गिवन अस द प्रेजेंस ऑफ देयर लाइफ. हम उनकी प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइफ फील कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन फुकरे रिलीज्ड अ डिकेड एगो, it followed the misadventures and triumphs of two good for nothing school students, Chucha and Honey, dreaming of stepping into college life. Now when I said these things, मैंने यहाँ पे दो words use करे. एक था misadventures. Misadventures means कोई ऐसी poor decision making जो unfortunately आपने अच्छे से नहीं बनाए और उसकी वजह से आपको उसके result मिला. Unfortunate experiences or journey resulting from a lack of judgment or poor decision making. And next word that I used was triumph. Triumph means great victories or achievements. So when we are talking about their life, इन्होंने बहुत सारे poor decisions लिए जिनकी वजह से they suffered, और फिर कुछ victory भी हासिल करी, जीत भी हासिल करी. And when we are talking about them, they were actually good for nothing, है ना, useless. कहते ना हिंदी में काम के ना काज के, दुश्मन नाच के. For them this word has got used, right? So their acquaintances got involved in their ill-conceived plans and the chaos that resulted. Acquaintances होती है जान पहचान. So उनके जो जान पहचान के लोग थे वो उसमें इन्वॉल्व हुए in their ill-conceived plans. Ill-conceived plans का मतलब होता है ऐसे plans जो बिना किसी रिजल्ट के हो. Poor plans. With the third installment of their franchisee, the ambition of these fukras, a term used for idlers, as well as that of movie has grown. Now यहाँ पे जब आप बात कर रहे हो फुकरे, फुकरे एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो खाली लोगों के लिए यूज किया जाता है, idlers. और ये जो थर्ड इंस्टॉलमेंट है that we are talking about फुकरे 3, इंस्टॉलमेंट होता है सिंगल पोर्शन ऑफ द मूवी, एक छोटा सा हिस्सा कहानी का, has actually grown. Now let's talk about a movie. The film opens with a recap of previous two Fukre movies which are packed into a catchy song. Catchy means जो हर किसी के attention grab करे. A nice touch. The song plays in the background as the opening credit of Fukre 3 rolls out. Fuk Fukre यही वाली tune. The core characters reappear with their now new established traits. Chucha, actual name Varun Sharma, is a goofy and asinine as before. Now goofy is used for actually him because it means silly, funny और थोड़ा बहुत ridiculous type भी होते हैं ना, that the character he has played. And asinine means extremely foolish or stupid. Like we have seen कि उसे कुछ सपने आते थे and actually those dreams जिसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं हुआ करता था. So we can say extremely foolish or stupid. Honey, his actual name is Pulkit Samrat. He has the brain that steers always. Here it means जिसके दिमाग के घोड़े बहुत ज़्यादा दौड़ते हैं, like that. He always racks his brain. Next character, very interesting. We have Pandit ji. No, Pankaj Tripathi keeps the gang together with his wisecracks while Bholi Punjaban named Richa Chadda has bigger plans for herself. These both characters are actually interesting, damn interesting I would say. Richa Chadda, she is the personality which actually gave complex to lot many girls. Lali Halwai, real name Manjot Singh, doesn't have a well defined role but comes into his own when he tries to make the best masala chai. He was famous for that. And now we have the last character, that is Fazal, that is missing from this group of bumbling daydreamers but makes a cute cameo appearance. Cameo appearance is camera appearance. जब वो अपना गाना गाता है तो literally he takes the attention of lot many people. Leaving behind her criminal past, Bholi now hobnobs with powerful people. Hobnobs means to socialize, utna baithna. She aspires to win in the Delhi assembly elections and become a minister. Her aspirations to walk the corridors of power are threatened when Chucha becomes a threat to her popularity and victory. Threat means धमकी. So when Chucha came, definitely वो उसके लिए एक गलत चीज़ हो गई थी for भोली पंजाबन. She knew कि अगर चूचा मैदान में आया तो definitely she would lose the election. This leads to power tussle and one upmanship between the Fukras and Bholi, who struts around with the two bulky bodyguards whose presence lends her an air of comic gravitas. Now here we used certain words. There was a word corridors of power. It means the centers of political influence or authority. Next word was power tussle. Power tussle means a conflict or competition for authority or control. Like it happened between Chucha and Bholi Panjaban. एक इलेक्शन को लेकर जब दोनों के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स रहे, लड़ाई झगड़े रहे. Struts around. Here it is a vocabulary which means walk with a proud and a confident manner. You know, often showing off. Like actually when Bholi Panjaban used to walk, she had that aura. वो बहुत confidence और एक proud manner में चलती थी. Comic gravitas. Comic gravitas means a sense of seriousness in a humorous or comedic context. Like in whole movie, humor तो भरपूर है, but there is a seriousness जो humor के basis पे बनाई गई है. So let's have this in our mind कि हम not only we learn from lot many books, but also from movies. So these are the vocabularies which are actually used for these movies.